guys, it's Tani. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a different makeup look. I wanted to use a different palette, but like this is the best one for colourful looks. So I'm going to use the James Charles palette again, but today I'm going to attempt more of like a purple smoky eye, I think. I should probably not say what I'm going to do until I finish the eye makeup look because they never turn out as planned, but that's alright. So yeah, I'm going to attempt some sort of purple eyeshadow kind of look and see where that leads me. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. Actually, I might put my hair back. Okay, so first up I'm taking the Clinique Airbrush Concealer and using that to prep my eyelids, and then I'm going to blend that in with a damp beauty blender. And then I'm taking the Clinique Invisible Matte Powder and just setting the concealer in place to stop it from moving around and creasing. And then taking the James Charles palette, I'm taking one of the lighter purple shades and just starting to really slowly blend that through my crease area, slowly building up the pigment and the colour, and being sure to really diffuse out the edges at the end as well. And then I'm just taking a slightly darker purple shade and I'm focusing that on the outer V of my eye, or more the outer third, and then I'll slowly start blending that in with the lighter purple shade. Keep in mind a lot of blending is cut out of this as well. And then I'm just taking the purple shimmery shade in the palette. I found that it applied a lot better when using your finger. And then I just went ahead and applied some eyeliner and then mascara as well. We were young. And then to start prepping my skin, I'm taking the Clinique ID Moisturizer and just using that as a base for my makeup. But then I also go over the top of that with the MAC Strobe Cream. This gives a really nice luminous glow to the skin, which looks really great under the foundation. And then I've been really loving the IT Cosmetics CC cream lately. However, I felt like it was a little bit dark for me, so I went in with this Bobbi Brown foundation, which is a little bit lighter. However, I don't know, the colour still just didn't look great. Like, it looked quite yellowy, but I feel like it was kind of too pale in a sense as well. But I've got a really pale neck, so I find it hard to get my foundations to match my neck properly without having to bring it down all the way. And then I'm taking the Clinique Curvy Contour Stick just to slightly contour and bronze up the edges of my face. I leave my under eye area as free of product as possible, as it just helps my concealer to look a lot smoother throughout the day, so I don't like to put foundation under my eyes when I know I'm going to use concealer anyway. So I just put that under my eyes and down the center of my face just to highlight and also lift under the eye area there. And then just to set that in place, I'm taking the Too Faced Loose Powder and just popping a little bit under my eyes and then around my nose. And then taking the Ka-Brow by Benefit, I'm just using that to lightly fill in my brows. So I really like to define the arch a little bit more, and then I just feather the product through the hairs of the brow. I like to do this step after I've got my foundation on, as I can cover up any foundation I might have got on my eyebrows with the brow product. And then just onto the lower lash line, I'm just taking that light blue shade from the same palette on a small smudge brush and just smudging that underneath my lower lashes. And then going back in with the same mascara, I'm just using that to coat my bottom lashes. And then I'm just taking this, it's kind of like an icy frosted blue shade, and using that to highlight my inner corner. And then taking the Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer and using that just to warm up the edges of my face again. And then I'm taking the MAC Soft and Gentle highlight and just popping that on the high points of my face. I tried a fan brush this time, but I think I prefer a more dense brush for this highlight. And then I'm just lining my lips with a nude lip liner by Clinique, and then going on with a lipstick from Clinique called Plum Pop. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. I am pleasantly surprised with how this turned out. I'm so glad I did blue on the lower lash line. That looks really cute. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like or a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!